This is what we are to expect for the day on GBPUSD. Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can share your idea, strategy, insights, and forecasts. It is also a community where you can get to connect with traders of like-minded people. It is a community where analysts and also developers can become part of. It is also a community that has a sections for crypto stocks, forex, commodities, and indices. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. Starting with our trend for today on GBPUSD. First thing first, you can see that we are in an uptrend move. And now that we are in an uptrend move, market is currently at this zone whereby let's zoom it out. There's a major rejection zone right here, whereby market has been rejecting from this zone multiple times. We said that market was able to reject from this zone, that dropped. Market was now able to rally back up to this zone. It got rejected from this zone and it dropped. Now market was able to rally back up to this zone again, and guess what? Market rejected and dropped. Market has now rallied back up again to this level, so it is currently rejecting. Of course, in the long run, we would expect market to drop. No doubt that in the long run it will drop, because with what I'm seeing right now, our prediction previously was that okay, markets will continue that movement upward. But as at now, there is a long-term possibility that markets will sell, and it will sell heavily. Yes, the sell heavily will likely play out. But when you drop down to your forward time frame, you will see that there is a multiple rejection at this zone right here. So we had a rejection here. Market was now able to bounce. Market came back again, and market eventually was able to bounce up again. Market has now come back again. So I believe there's going to be a rejection that will make market to bounce up again. So I personally would be going in for the buy for GBPUSD. That is what I will be expecting us to look out for. So we should go in for the buy and look to just close the profits at about 30 pips. You all know on Friday, the last day of the week, there will not be, we should not be expecting much, but at least we should be able to grab something nice, which is about 30 pips for the day. So let's see if we can grab about 30 pips bullish move for the day on EURUSD. So that should be at a level of 1.35154. So we should be targeting a level of 1.35154 for the day. If you find this video very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com to also share your own idea and also strategy.